All right, and there you have it. There is the wonderful looking end table. It's beautiful. You have a storage compartment in here, right here. Lots of nice storage. There, a shelf here. You can, has a plug-in right here to plug in your lamp or whatever you'd like to plug in. Right there. And it also has a USB-C and a USB or USB-C and a USB port here also. And then if we simply turn it around, because it has wheels, turn it around for the winter time. You have a nice faux fireplace, and I can already feel the heat coming off of that. It's summertime, so I don't really need the heat, but how cool is that? For a wintertime, nice little fireplace. Go out and get your end table today. This is really, really nice, folks. So versatile.